Hi everyone, today we are looking at the 9 necessary materials used for solar and inverter installation. Number 1, solar panels. Solar panel, we need solar panel. Number 2, charge controller. Number 3, breaker box. When we talk about the breaker box, there are a lot of things that are inside the breaker box, like surge, AC surge, DC surge are inside the breaker box. DC breakers, AC breakers are inside the breaker box, and lot more that will be inside the breaker box. Number 4, we have solar battery. Number 4, solar battery. Number 5, power inverter. Number 6, electric load. Number 7, solar cable. Number 8, solar panel rack. And number 9, you have battery rack. So when you have these 9 items, and you know the uses of these 9 materials in or their function in a solar system, that is why we will give a brief explanation on it. Number 1, the solar panel. A solar panel is a device that converts sunlight into electricity by using photovoltaic cells that produce excited electrons when exposed to the sun. Yes, that is why it's installed on top of the roof or in an open space where it will be exposed to the sun to convert the electrons to electricity. Number 2, charge controller. A charge controller is an electronics device that uses in off-grid and hybrid solar system. This actually regulates the current and voltage from the PV that will be PV array that will be charging the battery or to the house, in case if you have DC load in your apartment. Now, number 3, we have solar battery. Solar battery is actually a power bank whereby the energy from the panel, from the sun, will be stored, so that when there is low energy from the sun or at night, it can now be used. So it's very, very important, and it will be designed based on the load you needed to use the inverter for. So please, it's very, very important, and that is why it's the storage system. It is a storage system based on the power that you generate from the panel, then it will give. Now, talk of the breaker box. Breaker box is actually a hub of electricity that serves as the protective device for the solar and inverter system. It serves as a protective device for the charge controller, the power inverter. So it's very, very important. Your concentration should be that your breaker box is well designed and complete, so that the thunder will not affect your solar system. Power inverter. Power inverter is actually an electronic circuit or electronic device that converts the DC from the renewable source, that is from the panel, the battery or wind turbine, that converts it to AC. And when it's converted to AC, it is now supplied to the output appliances. So power inverter is very, very important. Now we talk of the electrical load. The electrical load that we are using the inverter for. We have 2 types of electrical load. We have DC electrical load, we have AC electrical load. And I want to tell you that it depends on what you want to use it for. So AC electrical load, the inverter will give out AC for the electrical load. But if you are using DC load, I'm telling you that you may not need power inverter in your system. Now, solar cable. You are looking at solar cable. Solar cable is the cable that connects the photovoltaic cells to the charge controller. That is, it connects from the panel to the charge controller. In the inverter system, we have two types of cable. We have power cable and we have solar cable. But at this point, we are looking at what is solar cable. Solar cable is the cable that connects the panel, the photovoltaic cells, from the panel to the charge controller, from the charge controller to the battery. So that is solar cable. Now the power cable, in terms of solar and inverter system, we are using power cable. Power cable is used to connect from the power inverter to the load. From the power inverter to the load, both the input AC in terms of hybrid inverter and the output AC in the power cable in a solar system. The output, whenever I mention the output, is the power that goes out to the appliance. And the next one is what? Solar panel rack. Some people may not know the solar panel rack. That is what you install on the roof or on the platform before you install solar panel on it. And not only that, what about the battery rack? Battery rack is what you use to stack the battery anywhere you want to stack your battery for the solar system. I'm telling you that these things are very important. The major thing is that the design of the solar system is very, very important. Capable hands, and you can contact us as Morigray Services Nigeria Limited. If you have any question you want to ask, or maybe you needed a clarification, go to the comment section. I will meet you here. I'll spend some quality time with you in the comment section so that we can interact and you benefit something, you have learned something from this video, short video. Please don't forget, share and like. Thank you.